Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Flood video series. In this step, we will continue to show you how to clean up the water damage to your flooring. Make sure you have followed the instructions in the previous video and have called Do-It-Yourself Flood so we can have all the equipment you need on its way to your home. In this video, we will show you how to set up extraction equipment to remove the water from your carpet. We will also give you some options for handling the wet padding under your carpet. Equipment setup. The main piece of equipment that you will need for this step of the cleaning is a water extraction machine. This is a type of wet-dry vacuum that's powerful enough to remove most of the water out of the carpet and flooring and is easy to set up and use. To set up the extractor, you simply need to plug it into the wall and then connect the hose to the machine on one end and the wand or vacuum attachment on the other end. Now you can vacuum over the wet areas to remove the water. When the machine is full, you can drain it by emptying the tank into a drain. Some machines have a pump-out option which will pump the water through a hose to a safe location. If the carpet has padding underneath, then you have two options. Number one, you can pull up the carpet, remove the padding, then put the carpet back down and extract the water. Or number two, you can leave the carpet and padding down and extract them both together. Both options have pros and cons, so let's go over them. Option 1. Remove the pad. The first option is to remove the padding. This is recommended and in most cases should be done to make sure the flooring dries in a timely manner. This is what most professional companies will do, and it's also the fastest option. The reason for removing the padding is that the padding is usually made of a material that acts like a sponge and will hold a large amount of water. Removing the pad will help the flooring dry faster and have less chance of odor-causing bacterial growth. For this option, you will need to pull up the affected carpet to access the padding underneath. Start by pulling up an edge or corner of the carpet to expose the padding. Do this very carefully so you don't damage the carpet. You may need some pliers to get a good hold of the carpet to pull up an edge. Once the carpet is rolled back and the padding is accessible, you can start to remove all the padding that is wet. Pull or scrape the padding up and dispose of it in the garbage. Sometimes the pad can be salvaged, but in most cases it is better to replace the pad with new material. It's certainly faster and easier. Once the pad is removed, lay the carpet back down into its original position. Now you are ready to use the extraction machine to vacuum over the carpet and extract all the water possible. The carpet will still be damp, but all standing or loose water should be removed. This option will make it necessary to replace the pad and relay the carpet once everything is dry. Option number 2, extract with pad in place. The second option is to leave the carpet and pad in place and extract the water out of them both using a special attachment that's made to go on the extraction machine. For this option, you will attach a weight-assisted extraction tool like a water claw. This tool is made to stand on and it uses your body weight to extract deeply through the carpet and into the padding. This process is a bit slow and you may need to go over the area several times to make sure you have extracted all the water possible, but you can be as thorough as you want. Doing this option will take much longer, but it will save you money by not having to replace the padding or relay the carpet, and you also won't risk damaging the carpet by pulling and moving it while it's wet. In the next video, you will learn how to set up the drying equipment to start the drying process. We will also show you how to apply an antimicrobial treatment to help inhibit fungal growth. Remember, within 1 hour, Do-It-Yourself Flood can deliver all the tools and equipment you need and offer consulting and advice. If you are feeling overwhelmed, Do-It-Yourself Flood can do all the work for you. You can make the choice to do as little or as much of the work as you want. Call Do-It-Yourself Flood anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our trained crews are ready to serve you.